Isang all-Filipino hockey team ang lumalaban po ngayon sa isang malaking tournament sa Alberta. Nananalo po ang Pinoy team sa mga laban at nangunguna pa sa kanilang dibisyon. At ang kanila pong uniforme, mistulang barong Tagalog ng mga Pilipino. Narito ang report. 24 na mga lahing Pilipino ang nagsama-sama para bumuo ng kauna-unahang Filipino hockey team sa Edmonton, Alberta. Nagsimula lamang sa kwentuhan ng magbabarkada. Kalaunay nabuo ang Pinoy team na tinawag nilang Manila Ice.
We had some names like Shinigang, right? I played with Sinigang, of course, and Adobo Bros, right? So we're throwing that around. But then at the end, we decided, we want something that identifies us with our country, right? And we thought that Manila Ice would be appropriate, okay? Because, of course, capital city and all that.
Ang kanilang uniforme, dinisenyo ng designer na si Joey Angeles. Hango ito sa barong Tagalog ng mga Pilipino.
This is kind of our pride and joy. It started as a bit of a joke, right? That hey, it'd be fun if we wore a barong Tagalog to a hockey game, and Joey was able to put the design.
Lumalaban ang koponan ngayon sa CCRHL, ang pinakamalaking liga ng hockey sa Edmonton. Nangunguna sa standings ang mga Pinoy na sa kasalukuyan ay may 8-1 win-loss record sa kanilang dibisyon. Mga Pinoy players din ang nangunguna sa points, goals at assists sa Rec A Division 19. Ito'y kahit na ilan sa kanilang mga manlalaro ay mga teenager pa lamang, habang ang iba'y nasa edad 50 na.
We've got such a wide range of skill level. There's a lot of kids that they started as kids, and we have some high level players that have played. But then you have players like me that just started playing hockey at I'm 55 now and started playing at 53.
Nasa 300 ang mga team na lumalaban sa tournament na ito na may summer at winter season. Bawat laro ibinibigay nila ang Spoon and Fork Award sa Best Player of the Game, Wallis Award sa Best Defensive Player, at ang Barrel Man Award sa tinawag nilang Hustle Man of the Game.
The wins and the losses, that's not really important to us. It's us getting together and being with friends, family, right? It's really after the game when we can sit, socialize, and talk about everything.
Pero pagkatapos ng tournament na ito, hindi pa tiyak kung sila'y makakalaro sa susunod na winter season. Depende daw kung may mga sasali muling player at mga sponsor na susuporta sa kanilang mga laban.
We don't know where this is going to go. We could be done after this season, but we're hoping that it continues on and we're able to grow the game within our community.
Marami naman anyang interesado na maging bahagi ng Manila Ice. Kailangan lang ng sapat na training at exposure sa mga hockey games.
The dream would be maybe creating a hockey club, right, where we can start with the youth and have them progress through the system.
Sana nila mas marami pang sumali at sumuporta sa Manila Ice Hockey Club para maipakita na magaling din ang mga Pinoy sa hockey na siyang isa sa mga pangunahing sports dito sa Canada.